Xiaomi Mijia Mechanical Keyboard JXJP02MW Review. The Xiaomi Mijia Mechanical Keyboard TKL87 key offers a versatile typing experience suitable for both gaming and office use. With its compact design measuring 356mm x 122mm x 38mm and a weight of approximately 892 g, it's highly portable without compromising functionality. Crafted from durable ABS and PC materials, this keyboard ensures longevity and reliability in various environments. One of the standout features is its multi-mode connection capability. Users can opt for a wired connection using the provided USB-AC data cable, a 2.4G connection via the USB receiver, or connect wirelessly through Bluetooth 3.0 plus BLE 5.0 technology. This flexibility allows seamless integration with different systems, including Windows and macOS, catering to a broad spectrum of users. The illuminated keys add a touch of style while enhancing visibility in dimly lit environments, making it ideal for late-night work sessions or gaming marathons. The built-in 2000 mAh battery ensures extended usage without frequent recharges, providing convenience and uninterrupted productivity. Overall, the Xiaomi Mijia Mechanical Keyboard TKL87 key combines functionality, durability, and versatility, making it a compelling choice for users seeking a reliable keyboard solution for diverse computing needs. Explore the innovative functions and ergonomic design of the keyboard by accessing the link below the video. Get all the details you need to make an informed decision about your next keyboard upgrade. Don't miss out on this opportunity to revolutionize your typing experience.